Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus. The correct answer is Jupiter. What is the largest species of shark in the world? Great white shark, hammerhead shark, tiger shark, whale shark. The correct answer is whale shark. Which bird is known for its ability to fly backwards? Sparrow, parrot, eagle, hummingbird. The correct answer is hummingbird. Which gemstone is associated with the month of May? Emerald, sapphire, diamond, topaz. The correct answer is emerald. Which of the following is the nickname for Johnny Unitas? The golden arm, the silver arm, the pearl arm, the iron arm. The correct answer is the golden arm. Which Charles Dickens novel follows a boy's life from childhood to adulthood in Victorian England? David Copperfield, Oliver Twist, A Tale of London, The Victorian. The correct answer is David Copperfield. The term mammatus is derived from the Latin word mamma, meaning mother, breast, cloud, sky. The correct answer is breast. What year did Louis Braille develop the Braille system? 1624, 1824, 1724, 1924. The correct answer is 1824. How do you say a hello in Mandarin Chinese? Hola, bonjour, ni hao, konnichiwa. The correct answer is ni hao. The Pacific Ocean is home to the largest coral reef system in the world. What is it called? Great Barrier Reef, Maldives Reef, Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, Chagos Archipelago. The correct answer is Great Barrier Reef. What was Hadad's role in the Canaanite pantheon? He was the chief deity. He was the god of storm. He was the god of agriculture. He was the god of music. The correct answer is he was the god of storm. The hue in HSL, hue, saturation, lightness, represents the purity of a color, the intensity of a color, the color itself, the brightness of a color. The correct answer is the color itself. Which city is Hello Kitty from? Tokyo, London, New York, Paris. The correct answer is London. Amman is the capital city of which of these countries? Jordan, Egypt, Algeria, Azerbaijan. The correct answer is Jordan. Kung Fu martial art originated in which country? China, Japan, North Korea, South Korea. The correct answer is China. Who said, equipped with his 5 senses, man explores the universe around him and calls the adventure science? Edwin P. Hubble, Carl Sagan, Stephen Hawking, Richard Feynman. The correct answer is Edwin P. Hubble. Which U.S. state is nicknamed the North Star State? Minnesota, Nebraska, North Carolina, Tennessee. The correct answer is Minnesota. Which Japanese poet wrote a famous poem about Mount Fuji? Basho, haiku, rumi, li-bai. The correct answer is Basho. What is the name of Picasso's most famous painting, not sculpture? The Old Guitarist. Three Musicians. Guernica.
Les Demoiselles d'Avignon.
The correct answer is Guernica. What is the etymology of the name Oster? Bright one, fertile one, goddess of spring, rising sun. The correct answer is bright one. How do you say Santa Claus in Japanese? Santa Karosu, Kris Kringle, Father Christmas, Sinterklaas. The correct answer is Santa Karosu. Amelia Earhart set numerous aviation records, including the first solo flight by a woman across the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Mediterranean. The correct answer is the Atlantic Ocean. Which gemstone is known for its green variety, called emerald, beryl, peridot, aquamarine, jade? The correct answer is beryl. Which common phrase is another way of saying it's raining hard? It's raining cats and snakes. It's raining Tom and Jerry. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and mice. The correct answer is it's raining cats and dogs. Who wrote the novel The Picture of Dorian Gray? Oscar Wilde, Charles Dickens, Bram Stoker, Mary Shelley. The correct answer is Oscar Wilde. In what year did Carl Benz invent the first gasoline-powered automobile? 1786, 1886, 1986, 1666. The correct answer is 1886. Which feature on Ganymede is the largest known in the solar system? A canyon, a crater, a mountain, a river. The correct answer is a crater. Which goddess requested Ladin's presence and tasked him with guarding the golden apples? Athena, Aphrodite, Hera, Demeter. The correct answer is Hera. Who became the first African-American woman to win the Best Actress Oscar? Viola Davis, Halle Berry, Octavia Spencer, Lupita Nyong'o. The correct answer is Halle Berry. Which planet in our solar system has the strongest gravitational pull? Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Jupiter. The correct answer is Jupiter.